I'm going to show you how you can transfer XRP from Coinbase onto your Arculus wallet. Now, from your Arculus wallet first, we're gonna go ahead and go find the wallet address, right? So from your Arculus wallet here, you want to go ahead and go to this menu here. Now, on this menu here, you just want to tap on the receive button right there, right? Now, once you tap on that receive button, you will be given a wallet address. Now, you need to note that down. Now, once you have the wallet address, let's move on to Coinbase. Now, on Coinbase, from your menu here, you want to go ahead and tap on the button to send. The button is right there. So just tap on send. Now, once you tap on send, you will go to this menu here. Now, on the search section here, you want to type in XRP, and then you want to go ahead and pick XRP from that menu there. Now, once you pick on XRP, let's go ahead and continue. On here, you will see you can send to. Now, on the to section here, you want to pull in the wallet address you got from your Arculus wallet earlier, right? Now, once you put in the wallet address here, you just want to tap on continue. Now, once you tap on continue, you see this is what the menu will look like. You can see on mine it says Ethereum, but on yours it should say XRP. Now, on here, you just want to enter in the amount you want to send to your Arculus wallet. And then once you're happy with that, just press on this big blue button here to preview. Now, once you tap on preview, this is the menu you will look. Now, once you start sending, you can see it's around $3 and around that much XRP. You can see the network is this. There's a couple of network fee as well. The send time is estimated less than 10 minutes. The total is around that much. Once you're ready with everything, tap on that big blue button to send now, and then that's it. You're done.